Everything me have, you know me work hard for it. So why don't you nigga bad mind me for it? Every day them see me out a road and me a flash. Buy me one a liquor, so me have me one a glass. All them me close them so sharp. So who no like me style, tell a boy fit your calf now. Them a watch everything and me a wear and no see the hard work when me do for me career now. Them a wonder how me things and so there them want kill you for the car where you was here. Me heart not dirty, me heart clean like the water from the stream.
Why you sit down for me? Why you sit down for me bum buckler? Why you sit down for me name for? Me name a set TV and I start to sit down for me. Get up my man, full time. Me come right here so. Alex, me come back over here so. Alex, every time you know the for me name. You can't see a sentence without me name. Not one sentence. You can't say, yo, you come out from my blood, come out from my name, you know. Come out from my name. Me don't know say they pay bird paper, make truck on my name, so everything I say my name, you know. You come out from my name. I'm sleeping in one.
Mouth your bum buckler.
Them a watch everything when me a wear and I see the hard work when me put in a me career. Remember that, here? Hypocrites attack, loud them make them sit and talk. All them can do is watch and talk. Our thing them can't lock off. You mad? Hypocrites attack, loud them make them sit and talk. All them can do is watch and talk. What go and speak with my family? I am back with another boring video. Another long, boring video. Speak with my family. I am back. One nation stands alone. We is not calm alone, but we stands alone. People, the video that I have done, I have been into my comment since it has been posted yesterday morning. And in very quick succession, I rake up about 50 comments. Quick. You know, so you see all the naysayers and all the people that are speaking from my supporters. I would invite you because I never invite you before. So I'm going to invite you to go in the comment section of that video. You understand? Yes, and read the comments because you people want to speak from my supporters. So my supporters has come into the comment and they have speak for themselves. And that is just a fraction of them. And when I say supporters, I'm talking about people that I can identify. Because as for who out here a long time and I watch me, you know say me have one exercise book, one hardcover book full of name. Plus, me can memorize some of the name them in my book. Me can memorize some of them in my head. So when me I go through my comment section, name ring a bell so me know say, I know. You understand people just attack. Anyway, as we say, hypocrites attack. Now they make them sit and talk. All them can do is watch and talk. Or what thing them can lock off. You mad? People. So that to say this also. Lord Jesus. Uncle Curly come out. Come do it for me. Because probably when most people did expect, even the individual probably made it come out, come cuss. Because at one point of the video, me hear them say, yes, you can't come out here, come dip up on me and cuss me and this and that. No, I surprise you, don't it? Yes, I know I surprise you. You know, as I also said, I am adjustable. I am not a 14-inch spanner or a 16, 17-inch spanner. I am adjustable. I am like a pliers. Not a pliers, a monkey wrench that you can screw it and adjust it to fit all 10 different bolts. A 14-inch spanner on a fit one bolt, 14. So, Uncle Curly people come out, come do it for me. Me never did have to do it. But in the same breath, Uncle Curly do it, people. Lord Jesus. Uncle Curly chose some piece of shade off of Kris and Donna. Me don't know how Donna and Kris drop in at this. But me I tell you, she a deal with this individual down a country, you know. The same individual we come cause it come like a bring down, she did a try. As when you see me put in the title. Speak your mind, get bring down. So it was all about she. And me don't know, it just take a turn with Curly. Curly start talk about who a scammer, who a this and you know them because when you see them, you know them come from nothing and have sitting and who can go we across the world go do them teeth and all them sitting there, so you know who that I go for. Because we know who are the person out here we do teeth recently. If any at all, do it before, well, me no know, but recently we know say a YMK and Donna name did call. Because as we say, no, name not have to call. For we know who. Because even when I start watch this video, just a few first lines of Marcia speaking without even giving any close clue to who she attack, or even refer to certain things where you could have known say yes or she attack. I already did know say or she. So you know, if you can't name for people know who you attack, once you're out here in the diaspora and you're in tune, you will know. No care what kind of parables or what kind of fake or fictitious name, we know who. So people who don't know what they do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video, and please to watch the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue. Remember the backup channel Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. Go and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And remember, Life is a Mission TV on TikTok. Go follow me. Diaspora people who want to know what is going to happen when at the election, during the election, the whole campaign leading up, Life is a Mission TV will be there. Unseen. At polling station. Interviewing Dick, Tom and Harry from both sides. And if I can interview officials also, I will also interview officials. Alright? And at the same time, I might don't get the opportunity to can stop an official and interview them. But I will so properly attire in my journalist vest. I am going to make myself prepared that even one of mainstream media, whether TVJ or CVM, is getting an interview, me can squeeze in my mic and get an interview too. So here what, make sure to subscribe. Alright? And remember the website of Charms and Change that shop. Continue to support the website where my t-shirts are there. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Life is a Mission t-shirt, caps, tumblers, mug, you name it. It's all over there. You get it customized to your liking. And if there's a way you want it that we've never done it before and we can do it, we'll also do it for you. And that's the best way to shop with Charms and Trends. You get what you want, customized and quality goods, affordable price. Check out the website of Charms and Trends that shop. Continue to support so I can continue to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Alright? Bless upon yourself, and we're going to run right into the video now. So stay tuned for a long and boring video.
Look nice and healthy. Put me a name the breadstick first. And I buy this, I want me get free food.
We know son buy a bite, master, because we know you're not buying them sitting there. You're not spending your money by that. Because that's going to cost more than a McDonald's.
One careless girl on social media said me a name 3 free meals a day. Bitch, it's paid for. Bitch, it paid for the man a free
yes,
food.
Uncle Curly.
Bitch, it paid for.
Yes, Uncle Curly.
Slut dog.
Yes, Uncle Curly. Oh, and I mean she talking. Me just a cheer around just like how people they cheer around the other person in them comment section.
It pay for.
Yes, Uncle Curly.
Every day I get up and talk about my pussy, look like say.
Yes,
look
Uncle
like
Curly.
Go sleep at night time. You turn invisible duppy and come suck
Invisible?
me out.
Invisible Curly. Curly, come on, Curly. Not do me that. No embarrass me, Curly. Curly. Me I ride another one you feel. No embarrass me. Invisible. Curtis, calm down. Take your time, please. Calm down. Me I ride with you upon that one here. So just calm down. Alright? Until you reach further down in the video where me have to start come at you. But for now, me take time I ride my little bicycle with you. And it can't go up the hill because the chain is slip. So we don't want to hold them one by one up the hill. We want to hold them on the flat. So take your time, please. Invisible.
So obviously at night time, you turn like the woman at the white which have rose all. And it look like so you turn into a duppy and something come suck out me crotch and
hey, Curly man. Oh, people remember, put on the ears, on the hand over on the ears, please. A
I
few
know
more
what
is to
you
come. Me cut out some, but
You
few
know
are like a
relevant
get way.
about you.
Few get way.
You not even collect $200 a month for social media. Not even $100 good.
How are the Rastafari? Curly, yeah, somebody work at YouTube? Come here, Curly. Hey, that's what I'm saying. I ride with you from that one, no, Curly. Curly, yeah, somebody work at YouTube. You have our IP address, Curly. You have. Me did I go sneeze, but me not bother. You have our email address, Curly. So how you know so much? You know, collect $100 or $200. You see the same thing me I say, Curly, no too. I want to know how a puppy fi teach a lion fi bark. People, wanna come in the comment section, wanna come here. Wanna think say a puppy can teach a lion fi bark? Me see how much I wanna hear that. Me show you why no puppy can teach no lion fi bark. One, you are a puppy. You're not even a big dog, you're a puppy. Two, I am a lion. Three, lion don't bark, lion roar. So how can a puppy teach a lion to bark when a lion don't bark, a lion roar? Curly just has say something similar to what me did want to say, you know. Not even I earn 200. I don't know still, you know, but the maths might not add up. But the puppy argument and the lion argument said it's all for me.
Too much just say call my name. So the way you say my chat about me, you come like say you suck me at the night when me asleep. I must say that.
So man say you know the
I
woman, so how you da imagine that? How you da imagine that you say you know the woman crack?
Yeah, make up.
Sure.
This
Stop let me down no man.
Go find something for to go look a blood clot what bitch. Go look at work. I got to figure do. If you now make it enough hours, go look at work. Your contents them now send out here. You sound like you're a parasite.
What you saw a while ago, Curly? What not saying anything out here? You an idiot? Or you have to say that about the people them? I'm one of the most interested blogger that out here. Full of energy. Full of comedic reaction. I'm one of the best comedian out here as a blogger. So how you have to say that about the people them, Curly? Don't do that, Curly. Curly, remember me I ride for you. In that one, but you have to know what you have to say. You can't speak to the comedic person like that who brought out her real sense of humor when doing her skits on her video, Curly. Don't do that, Curly. Curly, don't do that. I'm one of the best out here.
It's not your blood clot short.
Talk about me boring.
The voice what you have. Yeah, it's so like you have bacteria in there. Disease and everything in your throat the way you sound. Can you come out here and go like you're relevant? You're not relevant. Go take set by somebody else.
Oh no, I couldn't so. I when Curly do that video, yeah, people, me didn't even know if I today or yesterday. Can you say if I today or yesterday you do that video, yeah? Or day before yesterday, I just send her a come for me. If you go take set by somebody else, that you do. Oh, I'm there right for you, Curly, after you send people for me. Are you talk about go text set pan somebody else, that's why then come for me. Oh, so Curly, me out here right for you. And you're there behind this whole thing. Me I go investigate you, Curly. I go and check out when you do this video. And you say if you did that video yesterday or day before yesterday, that's mean that you send them for me, Curly. But if you do it this morning, or late last night, I know you.
Now
go investigate you.
Come out on social media every day and talk about somebody better than you. Better than you. More free meal. This a blood clot pay for how much $100 a month. Me not ask you, me I tell you. This ain't no fucking free food, it's paid for.
Oh, you mean?
Paid for. Couple $100 well, close to $1,000 worth of food me need for the month. It is a place here.
Curly, really and truly, you never dare go spend so much around. You never dare go spend so much buy food, though, man, Curly.
No free food. You think a government this? You think a government food this? Huh?
But Curly,
You think a government food?
Curly, so what are you saying? It's only government alone give you free food? So if a friend give you some food, isn't it that free food? You don't pay for it. If your relative give you some food, you don't pay for it. It's free. So no government alone give you free food. So you're saying that you have to into an institution or getting the food from a government organization for it to classify as free food? No, master. For you get it free or free. Me go correct you alone, me I ride for you. Me I ride for you right here, so until I reach further down in the video, me jump off. Yes. Me I don't care how much miles per hour the horse go, or the donkey, or the camel. Me I go jump off. Me I go stop right for you when you reach further down. But on a government alone give you free food. Once you get the food free, it is free. It not have to be government give you. So no polish up not no curly. Me I ride for you, but me not gonna stand your foolishness.
The time you worry about me, America, go worry about where you get money from for mine your pitney. And September morning for go send the pitney to school. And that's what you do. Don't worry about that. You can't attract somebody better than you. Don't worry about fear, man. And if me I take fear, man, if me I take mine off you, and off your man, me I take off your man, because you could have dealt with your man. And your man crusty and ugly and dirty and smell stink.
I want to be curly, you know. I will curly to know if she gonna know your business, you know. Come here, because she have the Joan. She have one outside of Joan, you have the Russia one or the American one.
Me throw me can, me not call a foul. As simple as that. So, every day I talk about something. Nobody knows you. You know that Jamaica, if you want to call in a call, where you call and say? Where you call and say? Go suck yourself, dirty girl. You look thin and dirty, go wash your dirty self. Come past social media when not do blogging, come stroke yourself in a camera. 7 days a week, let me see how you can maintain yourself. Let me see clothes on the have on, let me see now in the house. Go showcase. When you come past social media chat, me want to go live in our house, big and bold and broad. And chat people. And that me want to do.
Like me, you know, care all for me, dusty, me I go live, me I do my video in there.
Video chat na video, show yourself.
All when me have to go in and me foul
to show na blood clot name 7 days a week, from Monday to Sunday.
Master, cut out the part because the big food where you and your man is salad that you not take your money by that. Because when you used to near my road and McDonald's here, there and everywhere before you get the job, you never used to buy them your food there. So let that part them, master. Just go and eat up your free food till the day come and you have to start spending and buy McDonald's again. And Campy's restaurant.
And you are the mongrel one. For people now for the dog. That's all. Just like your mother. Just like your mother, push away, girl. Just like your mother. Not taking up with a contaminating. Just like your mother. Your mother was a slut dog. Your mother walk and fuck down the whole of Jamaica. And wherever country they pan. Your mother was an plantation. Me grew up with everything. The body from Williams, you go up. Me grew up on a plantation. People come in my yard, go get things, go get food.
People, so behind me dark. Look there. Pure bad weather from morning and the rain now fall. It's not too late. But them promise us rain right back until Wednesday to Thursday morning. And because the place stays on the tree still, Jesus, a piece of eat a push. A piece of eat a push. Me can't wait for the rainfall. Got the good thing about it. Food in my house, water in my house, juice in my house. Me have Guinness juice, me have soursop juice, me have Guinness mixed with soursop in my fridge. Me have soda, me have tropics, me have cereal. So if it want fall right back to the Wednesday, plus me have dry food, me have bread, me have all kind of sitting can make all what you call it there? You call it sitting there? Wraps. Me have wraps can make all whether bully beef wrap, tin mackerel wrap, egg sandwich wrap. Me have all kinds of money mind it fall. The place too hot and it cost too much. Because you have to burn the AC. I mean I come out and come show up like Yes, me can burn AC right through the week. You mad? It come like when you just get house phone. True, you're frightened Friday every day you get up. You call everybody, all number where you never have in your phone, you find it for call. Because you want to show off because you have house phone. And you call, but you see at the end of the month when the bill come, you want to drop down so I seem like the AC nice to use it in the hot time, you know, but you see at the end of the month when the light bill come, whoa, all about you hurt you.
And that chicken, goat, and pig pen, and acres of land with all kind of things on it. But your mama for walk off foot down the way, they even get a piece of breadfruit to give you now. Breadfruit tree, they have breadfruit tree you kill. Apple tree, coconut tree, jelly tree, they have everything. But your mama walk, and up a big thinking slut dog front. They freak down the whole place. In a bush. They frig, they give you money, they go to school. That's if you got none. And they feed you know. So anybody a disgusting dog or your blood clot. Happy lunchtime, people. Happy lunchtime. Yes, me do. Next time them come. That's it. Me no respect nobody out here. Who respect me, respect them. That means if they respect me, them don't come out here and interfere with me and say nothing to me. Those are the people who me respect. The one they will not say nothing to me. Otherwise, me no respect them people.
You don't respect nobody, master. But who cheer for you and who not cheer for you? Because the simplest thing you get mad upon them.
I'm sure no so she didn't wish. She closed her leg and stifle your blood clot because you shouldn't have born. Then you wouldn't come over on page, come be a pest over here. So your mama should have closed her thinking pussy leg when I have you. The umbilical cord should have wrapped around your blood clot neck and choke your pussy clot. Then you wouldn't have to come in a bumble class society coming over here so come make trouble. So what you do now, if your mama is alive, go and piss by you and shit by you and wrap a blood clot tribe them what she have in her bumble. Right in there again, no?
See, I cut the saying of people because I couldn't manage your life for rapid burst.
Right, Cynthia again. Right now? When I want to write Cynthia again? If you think your blood clot bad, write Cynthia again.
Alright. No man, them want to advertise it for you. See the people, is a subscriber that just a call me, you know. Me dey go utter because me no want to give no direction and as me say me not give nobody no highlight. I say, here what? No make nobody call you and tell you what then see or whatsoever. Just leave it there. Don't respond to what them are going to tell you. So them see whatsoever. Me I go, you know what? I can leave it this. I can get back to the video. But as we say, whatever is there, whatever have been said, I won't respond to you. Me not do back and forth with nobody, especially when you're below me. You will never ever see Beyonce want to come out here in a back and forth with a Shensia or even a Chanel Moore. You will never ever see a Jay-Z want to come out here to in a back and forth with a Valiant or whatsoever. You know the reason why? Think about it. Uncle Curly, deal with it for me there.
And things I'm gonna be nice. This is very nice because of that is 1 out of 3 times meal. Yeah, let's go meet this, you know.
The amount of call me get from morning and DM and sitting. From me real people them to Rasta Jack. And people want to speak for me people them. Because me I give them work for do. Yeah, me I give them work for do. Because them have to dig and search in the video to get the part where them want to go create them content.
Can meet me? Me respect who respect me. Let me far. I'm looking for friend now.
And the funniest thing, you know, people, as you don't know me, who know me, know me. If me buck up in a something, pertaining to me, and I come out and I say when I say I answer or somebody send something come and I reply, you don't know me not go back and forth. Because it is obvious that most of these people is the back and forth them want to give them the energy, to make them feel relevant, to make them can gain where them a look. As me say, I work hard for my own. In a social media, I work for my own. Me never get no handout from no blogger like what someone get. You understand? It's after me come on board and the people them out here put me where me there, then certain blogger might start acknowledge me. But the push and the handout, I work for that. So if you don't feel like someone go sit down on the yard and write from people where work for them one, it not gonna work. You have to show no talent, show what you know worth, show no versatility. You understand? Show on versatility, show what you know worth, show what you can do to the people, make the people them can love you know, for watch a video for 1.5 hour, 1 hour. You understand? Me see people out here do live 4 hour, 5 hour live. Me can't even talk on a phone for 5 minutes. Having a conversation. Me start want come on for that. In my business, somebody call me and say, do you have any of the from me say yes. Me never want to hear what them have to say yes. Next, because me tell me say that's all them want to know and me hang up. If there's further to the conversation, they might call me back and know me hear them out. Much less to sit down on a live. That's the reason why I stop the live. Because I used to do a few live on what? Thursdays and Sundays. I stop. Even while I start the TikTok live, I stop. Because I can't take that long chatting upon live. Just a chat and go with so. And here still, me not have a problem with people who feed them live. I feed them things them do what them want to do. And do it how them want to do it. I saw it go. Everybody, the style different. When you check it at the artist world, a man might sing pan a rhythm. You might have 10 artists sing pan a rhythm. But the flow of the 10 artists is different. It's just the rhythm make it sound like the flow is the same. You understand? But the flow of the artists, the 10 artists is different. If every artist are going to have the same flow, the music are going boring because it's come like when me listen to Valiant and me come now and Valiant come off of the stage, Family come on the stage. It come like the same Valiant me listen because of the same flow. Nothing no switch, nothing no change. So if I saw see the business and want the business to run, I'm not going to run it so for yourself. And low people.
Yeah. Them now feel like so me not know them. This is between camera, I don't know them. I don't know them ass. So them trouble me. Me I cost them. My mother did long time, the whole of them did long time. Mama and Papa. You have been there. So if they come up here, me I cost them. You have here, me not cost them. Huh? Be ready? Them righty? Them not pay my bills. When my car insurance will have to pay. And then I pay the $400. When my storage bill them will have to pay. And then I pay it.
Are you good job? We are give you millions of dollars with your liar self.
And them give it to me. Huh? And me work. Yeah, me there. Clark, girl, I get up every day and call my son thieving son. The only smelly thief are you. You are your blood clot thinking man. Where you breed for? Cause no most thief, cause no poor, no blood clot. So any thief in a go on is you your thieving man. You can't call my son a thief, cause never thief nothing for you. Go and go suck out my pussy with shit.
Cut out that again, you know.
And go take your pit the way and go suck out him blood clot shit out him ass.
So no blame me if we get way. No blame me if we get way.
So anybody a thief is you, are your thieving man, are your blood clot thieving pitney, are your thieving self. That's why you have too much that's why you have too much
one thing I do.
You don't see your eye, them
Me
look
not
like
defend
a
that
blood
part
clot
there.
raccoon.
She gone pick me again.
You don't see your face.
But anyway, she said the woman tell her about her pitney still.
Rockstone stuff. Come and suck me out of me and see me bricks. Because I must be pussy you want come suck. For the way you get up on me every day, you must obsess with me. Come and suck me out of me and see me bitch. Under me blood clot pussy bitch.
Cut out again.
Yes, I said so. So if my son a thief, your man a thief. And that it is, come lick out my son blood clot.
out again. So you can't blame me when you say me a cut out if you cut out, but some get wet.
The only somebody can't tell me to stop. Me have got see one cloud busting in the cloud. I say my daughter, stop. Don't tell them that. Nobody out there can't tell me to stop.
I already hurt you want to walk me for somebody say, cause from me I grow them say, I don't listen to the devil, you know. Mine, you know. You sure of heaven?
Me have to see one cloud bust out. Come off on page. Am I getting nothing from you now? No.
She gonna cuss somebody know we comment in our comment section.
No. Over there tell every captain lie for me?
No.
Over there go listen to them. When them attack I can suck and make up a kind of blood clot story for me. Over there tell me stop. Me don't want nobody come over here and tell me to stop. When you go on them page and hear the things when them talk about and a make up story, you not tell them to stop?
No.
When them was out of social media calling me job and writing well if a bomb clot email, didn't no pussy clot tell them to stop? Huh? Eh? When them over there talk about my son in a prison for 5 years, did you not tell them to stop when nothing ever for? When my pitney only get locked up for like 2 months in a detention center? For disobeying judge order? Who did they tell them to stop?
Marcel, that's not locked up. He was sentenced to whatever time. Stop make it look like say he was just detained. An investigation. He was locked up and the time where you call sentence. Don't pretty up nothing. You love pretty up things too much, you know. Come on, man.
When them in a call me blood clot job and I report lies on me, did you not tell them to stop? When them sending what if a bomb clot email to the facility, did you not tell them to stop? When them out there call my baby name, my grandbaby, 2-year-old grandbaby
I'll
name,
miss you throw a word pan yourself.
bomb pussy blood clot stop.
I'll miss you throw a word pan your part, yeah.
When them out there with false blood clot documentation for social media where they go dig up with other people near Marcia Campbell and Quarter Fling, they do no blood clot tell them to stop. I wanna go on them bomber clot page, go give them views. Well, nobody blood clot can't tell them to stop.
She are referring to someone who goes into her comment and tell her to stop. That's why I say, this is the reason why I say, she said she respect her. But that's a lie. Because this person who tell her stop can be somebody who respect her, and out of respect, because of her behavior, they are probably just saying, stop man, no bother. And she not take that lightly. And that's why earlier I say, a lie she had to when she said she respect her, because there's a lot of people who respect her when them comment in her comment section. Once she not take a liking to the comment, she got deep up underneath them. You understand? She is going to deep up underneath them because she not take liking to the comment we make. And as most of we know, most time the comments are nothing derogative. It's nothing like them a cuss her or nothing. They are just saying something of sense to her. But she does not take it lightly because she can't really articulate. Because if even say you don't take liking to what the person has said, stop it. The behavior, how you behave, would classify as disrespecting the person, you know. And this person can be somebody who respects you. It would be different if you come out in a different way and say, please, don't tell me to stop. Because when them over there do me this and do me that, you can't tell them to stop. Then it would be a different thing. It would have come off in a different way. But for she to be behave, you know how she behave, she disrespect the person. Whether the person mean good or mean bad, in whatever they type in the comment by saying stop it, I disrespect them. And you don't know if this person is somebody who respect you. And even if you did know, once you don't take a liking to the comment, you're going to be upset with the person. Because if even one of your rinch write it, well you know, because you give them rinch, and you know like the comment, I see a couple weeks ago one of your rinch said something, and you go a turn of the video all long and I say you expect better from her and this and Tara and Wara and all when we feel like it is done, you come back again pan it. So even your wrenchers where you know, at times you go at them for certain simple little things where them say. So you don't respect nobody. Once the person is not saying what you are saying, and you don't take where them say likely, you go at them.
When them sit down every day and tell lie, did you tell them to stop? When the blood clot poor ass non-emancipated blood clot Negro girl and boy them over there make up story and I put word in a people's mouth. They do not bomb.
This is she throw shade off of me too. She throw shade off of me right there, sir. With the nurse woman. Wish I just do what a journalist should have done when interviewing somebody. Me never put no words on the woman's mouth. Me never dare tell the woman nothing what to say.
So when me come out here and I read and I cuss them back, oh, I am this and I'm that. Well, them need to know. Me not tap. Them cuss me I cuss them back. Them cuss me I cuss them back. Me back up in the mouth of all that. When I say Africa, what's going on?
Oh, right.
Africa, you need to find me a good hobby man in Africa.
You don't know them already, Marcia. Marcia, you know them already. Because you talk so you know the best man in Africa.
Africa, find me a good voodoo man. Let me voodoo them.
This mate just said Jesus Christ. Now you want voodoo
Find me
man.
one good voodoo man in Africa for me.
You talk like a content and a joke. You're serious about this? All of this you talk about, you're serious. Because the information is your family dwelling on this. Your great-grandfather, your grandfather. Dwelling on them, you suck me here.
Since us them that want blood clot take heed, I'll call up my name. We just fix them good and proper. Yeah, man. We not give them no jungle justice, we are give them spiritual justice. Because I know some saw something on Facebook and they may be a man there. Find me a good Africa. Find me a good voodoo man.
You have experience like though, Master. No matter pretend like you have never done it before. You have lots of experience as this. That's why you talk about it so much.
Yeah. Fuck themselves around here. They tear them pussy clot, disappear them blood clot out of Jamaica.
All me to Marcia. After me I ride with you, yes, sir.
Since I say come be a person in my life.
Although me stop ride with you now because you reach a stage where me can't ride with you, yes, sir. Me can't ride with you, yes, sir.
Disappear them blood clot, find one good voodoo man Africa. Yeah man, find one good voodoo man, me fix them blood clot. Somebody got to get fixed out of this France, yeah? Can you look at them now stop? You look at them now stop. So somebody need to get fixed in this race, yeah? Find one good voodoo man. Since I step out here, I call me wicked. I me look like Satan. I me wicked, I me whatever. Find me a good voodoo man. Forget about the church. Me not got no more church. Find me a hobby man. God not help me too fast. Gotta take too long. Me not got no more church.
You serious? Did you just say that? Gotta take too long, God not help you quick? Marcia, last year, when you're running at the church for assistant, when you fall upon your belly and your hand and your foot and your face, and a crawl, financial difficulties, and you run going to the church, and you do 12 straight days according to you. You understand? You have done 12 straight days.
Me not got no more church. Send one good
As me say, Marcia, you praise God last year when you claim to say him take you out of your troubles and trial and tribulation where you go through, in presenting you with this job that you are in now, plus it was prophesied that you will get the job and things will turn for you by December. And not even 2 weeks after the crusade finish, everything start go right for you. You understand? And now you are come and say, him slow, him now move fast, all because you want him to do the Eve things them where him not dwell in a. Him not dwell in them something there. I wonder if you know that. You say you're a child of God church, of God all kind of this, and you ain't belly coming up. And you come from this at home. You're supposed to know say him not dwelling in them something there. Oh. So if it even happen, don't give him the praise. Because him don't dwell into it. Okay.
Yeah. Me go to church, then cost me about church. Me sell my business.
Look
Me
white
give
dove
church the money. Me come with me good heart and collect money. It don't matter what me do. The people them scratch over me.
To the parrot them want catch. Want catch to the parrot them see, but me don't want a white crown pigeon and a crossbreed dove.
Me chief money at church. So might as well me not go to church then.
People on the yard are blessed. You have so much different species of bird living here. Me have parrot living here. You have about 3 big pretty parrot about them size here. Every night you see them flying, but just before 6 o'clock you see them a flying. Morning time them fly gone about them ways. Me have some crossbreed doves, see them there, I fly up and down. Living here. A pair of white crossbreed Barbie dove. Them crossbreed between the Barbie dove and the brownish looking dove. Plus me have some white crown pigeon who live right over my car. Every morning me have to wash off the side of my car. The amount of this seed there, that the seed there, because you know I bear fruits and then sit there them eat. Mess up the whole of my car. So you so bless me places. I wanna see where I go on. Let me show you mango are ripe. Wanna look. See there? Mango are ripe. People just ask the mango, me just pick and give them where I drop off a dash way. So wanna see. Aki tree just done open and done. Breadfruit beer must be about the 3rd time for the year already. I don't know if it's going to beer again for the rest of the year. And done. Fruitful, prosperous. So them can't stop all a boy like me. Too prosperous.
Man, that's why me not go to church. Because all when I go to church, the people them interfere with me in a church. Me down me work, them call job for me. Me down church, they call pastor for me. So might as well me voodoo them bumbo clock then. Because everywhere me go.
So that simply mean you lose the belief and trust in a Father God to take you out of the crisis where you're in now.
Sick, a problem. Because piss, a problem.
Lord
Me clothes a
Jesus.
problem. Me eyeglass a problem.
You give
Me
the
ears
great
a
man
problem.
praises
And
today
then
and then tomorrow you take it away from him because you want everything to work for you same time.
A problem. My belly is a problem. My breast is a problem. My skin is a problem. My bumbo clot teeth is a problem. How me teeth them black out, so me teeth them false. But them not talk about the one that we are going to cross the world for whiten them teeth, but them teeth go
Whoa!
Shade
show, shots fired.
Me not have to go cross the ocean and see if whiten them.
Shots fired.
Naturally white.
Shots fired. Shots fired, people. See the man she fired the shots off fire. Whoa! You can't afford it, Marcia. So that's why you now can't do it. And that man she throw shades off her. Your shades off for 99 now. Cause them feel like we are here that you know we tell them so they don't have to call name out here for we know who exactly we not talk. What Kris have to do with what you talk about now. And what 99 have to do with what you talk about. Anyway, make we hear her.
Some night as well, where Africa? Africa gone? Oh.
You well want the voodoo in?
Yeah. Everything is a problem. Come. Send me straight to the man. Because me go to church is a problem. I will put it on social media. We need to go find them. At least if me not thief, me wouldn't be homeless. I wouldn't card and say. Me wouldn't live in a vehicle. So if me not thief,
99
me would have
times.
a big mansion. Would I drive Mercedes Benz? I would have drive BMW. I would have a taxi. I would have a house. Would have build house for mama.
You hear? Would have mansion. Would have BMW. And would have a taxi. This is claim that she recently made. That 99 of all these things. So she not have to come out here come say 99 or say Donna. So people might have question, oh, you know what Donna she attack? Come on. You must just come over here in a social media. The teeth argument a while ago. Who recently do teeth? Who recently fly cross country go do teeth? Your Majesty. Who she could attack? Your Majesty. So no name not have to call. Because someone we come out here come ask because I soon do it already. So oh you know say other person they she attack. Where you that out here? You must just come, that's why you don't know. Well, stay a little while longer and learn about what is going on. And this is what with someone, you just come on board or you just come across certain things and you don't understand it, you don't take the time to understand it before you come out, come question it. You have to try to understand something first before you can question it, whether the question is about something negative towards it or something positive towards it. You have to take time, understand what you have a question before you question it. You can't know about it and come question it.
I'm Bilowski Papa, Bilowski uncle, I'm gonna do all of that. So guess what? Me and a thief then. Because when people are thief, so when them are thief, I see something, so you know a thief they will on social media. Yes, me there. The one they were thief.
Your teeth so much but you never put it to use.
The one they were thief, and them look like thief, you can't know them. Because from me come on Facebook, me look the same way. The same
shades
way.
are true. Listen.
Shopping, go out,
listen about the ear and the slippers.
The way, and before they know me, and dressing good, so you know what thief.
Listen to
you know what
shades.
thief, but if you go call thief. Yes, me dear. Yes, but you can't know the thief them because when they come on social media, them started out with one piece of old crepe on them foot, one piece of slippers, them not even now wear ass wig. One piece of cutter catch on the head side, one piece of them gel up their ear front to go cheap $200 gel from downtown. Yes, me dear. Job won't drop down like them a star.
Name of a car?
Down them blood clot.
Name of a car? No. No name not of a car.
So you will know a thief them.
So all other people out there going like name African for you know who people are talk. So when you come out here and talk, you know a question how we know an ex-person.
Them look fluffy. They used to be so depressed.
This is why it called shades.
Them not even did have no self-esteem. They could even come in front of camera the way they were shy and not look good. They never even have no blood clot good.
Foolish to see a talk. Because when me just start do my video, even when me I go out there video things, wanna see me go out the road and video. Enough time I feel so awkward and shy to do it. Till me gradually growing out and know say if this is something where me love and this is something where me want to do, this is where me I go encounter. So gradually, me not have the fear then no more in me. In just backing out my camera. The only thing me not like back out my camera for everything. Like how you see a little accident, everybody back out the camera for your accident. No, me not like that style, me not know why. Enough time me dey on scene and see all them little things that no. Sometimes I might see it and then probably the storyline behind it, me might video. But not all the while me just run go take out my phone and a video those type of things. But gradually, me get so used to it. When you can feel that I can brave enough to tell you say come election day, me I go do this and me I go do that. Because me get used to it now. So it's not everybody when them just start coming in front of camera have the boldness to be in front of them. Stand up like a man and say, yes, do this, do that. Yes, you can do this. No. Alright, even in a live, me still probably, even when me I do live, me never like do live because it's like, you know, when me did start do live. But no, if me do a live, me not no problem. When me did just start do live, no sir. So are the same for the same. You just start, it will feel that we are awkward to you. If you know say you have to interact with people on phone and whatsoever, or you go out there and you have to have video people and people see your video. Because let me tell you something, all over the world, you go, Once somebody see you start walk with a tripod, well, you have different types of tripod. You know, people start look upon you. You draw attention right there, because people start wonder who you is. Whether you're a vlogger, a journalist, a blogger, or a saga, or a dagger. People start, you draw attention. People start look upon you immediately. And that kind of feel a way to some people. Make them feel awkward. But afterwards, you gradually working and you don't give a damn. You're just doing what you do best and what you love. And if it's a job, you take it as your job. You do it as your job. Where you're going to stop people from do what you do best or do what you do to feed your family or pay your bills, that you take something as a job, you watch people or what you? No. So where you come with that foolishness about the woman, the woman, the life the woman used to do. And I don't think when Donna just starts here the dark scream, I want to know you talk about dark scream where you don't see nobody in the camera but you hear them talk. So what you talk about?
Stove them have. Down they have stove. They could even find piece of mackerel for name good as Sunday evening time. Down them come and show off themselves with pork chop and piece of steak. Yes, and like a curry goat.
She have said the same thing where Donna dressing is concerned, you know. I want to see Donna going to some archive from long from the other day. She repost some pictures. Me show no one what day. See me, she used to talk about Donna. Oh, this is the one me show no what day where she played the dog coordination of colors where the dressing is concerned. Look again. Donna, this what she said couldn't dress and wear slippers, this, you know. You see it? All these pictures is some archive that Donna has been posting from the other day, from back then of her dressing. You understand? And this woman you come out here criticize, and me never said she coordinate any form of dressing yet. Your dressing always be the one type of dressing. Me see one another one recently. I wait there. Me see one another one recently. Let me see if I find that one there. So it's just the same way she come out here. Oh, see one another one here again. See there? Watch it. Coordination of colors. Look on the shoes. Look on the inside blouse. A little piece of pink here. Look on the blue. Watch it. This is Donna from back then, you know. Where she say can't dress on this and Tara not and wear that, you know. A charity make Donna dress and look good on one rail. See that? A Donna this she talk about. How long with a picture of them here?
Them too young for me can't get in a baby. Them they look hot like what?
A young boy no want you, man. What young boy do with you?
But into a young man. So go look at the teeth them. Yeah. Go check on the teeth them.
Master.
We can't find my straw. Period ready to stop you now. Yes, my dear. I spot my period. I spot you now. So me can't get him the baby. Very pause and so ass kicking you now. For you see period I spot you know, you know, say that's how it is.
But none of them the young boy now look on you. So why you put it in your head say the young boy them that want you?
You talk to me, they must be the 50.
The young boy them go about them business. You in your van in the car park and you do what you do. You wind down window a call to them and make friend with them. Then you're gonna make it look as if these young boys have interest into you. When are you call them, you know, them they will see you. And you wind down your window and try to get them attention. Because that's just you. I always want to feel like you're a people person when you're not. Why? Anyway, people, bless up on yourself. You know, the boring boy is here. I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel. This week is a short week. Friday we have holiday where they claim to say Emancipation Day. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Yes, man. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. Remember to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV on YouTube. If you're not subscribed yet, go hit the subscription button. Please to also follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. You know I miss out a whole heap over TikTok too, you know, cause yes man, a whole heap of commentary going over there. Me not do live over there, as you know. TikTok is really a live place where I saw you earn, but me just do videos. You understand? So, cause me can't take the begging business, you know, people. And if you go over there, if you not do certain things, people now just give you. You have to go out there and do all kind of things. I bring down people, I tell people about honor them, go on certain way. You can't sit down and hold some reasonable talk. Yes, you have a few people who sit in and listen to you, But at the same time, it's a begging app, and I am not into the begging app, the begging business like that, where me I'll come. If you gift me, I will accept the gift. If you come and see me upon live and, you know, you like what you see and the reasoning or whatsoever me I bring to you, and you feel like it's a gift and you want to give your gift, me not gonna tell you say me not take it. As a matter of fact, me can't even know if you give me, you just gift me, because you're a gifter and you have a gifting badge. So me I gonna accept it, but when me get the gift I go right back to the needy. But you're not gonna hear me come out at our begging a lion and a Zion and a pie. No, the only thing I will ask you to do is to tap the screen, because tapping the screen is liking the video or liking the live. And the privilege that you get over TikTok, you don't get it over YouTube. You only can like YouTube video one time. Many of you say, boy, if I could have liked this video 1,000 times, TikTok, you can like it all 1,000,000 times. You just, that's why them say tap the screen. So you just tap, each time you tap is a like. So you just tap till your finger hurt you and you feel like Kris again and you want to come back, come tap, you tap and you just tap till the video done or the live done. You tap any amount of time and each tap is a like. And that also helps to give the live algorithm so it reach more people, just like in a YouTube. It's just that you get more opportunity to like a video all 1,000,000 times. Alright? So me not really over there for the begging thing. That's why I never do live. I just do videos. I do a lot of commentary over there. You understand? Some people might like it, some might don't. Kind of everything you do, people are gonna like. You know, even people who supports you to a certain level. At times you're gonna do something they might not like. But at the same time, them did it on a different level because they are a real supporter. You understand? Simple as that. Follow the website and do something to the website also, because we have merge over there, sell t-shirt, caps, tumblers, you know, the gym buckles for the ladies who's going to gym and want to customize your buckle with either your name, pan it, or, you know, 2 liner for Psalms. We have everything over there customized. Charms and Trends, that shop. Continue to support so I can continue to support the needy. I have a short list of 5 persons I want to give back some grocery to. At the end of the month, I only have 2 on a permanent basic now, and I add 1 this month on a month on, month off, until I sure how I can manage the whole 5, when I can be committed before I can take on the whole 5. And also hear the plan of, you know, trying to give back to 3 basic school kids to ease a little pressure off of them parents who might have find it hard by paying them school fee for the term. A basic school fees like $8,000 to $10,000 so much school, you know, and that's 3 kids from 3 different basic school I want to reach out to. Instead of like last year when I give away a book and pencil and Charms and Trends come on board and give away some tumblers and stuff, you know, I just want to do that this year. How it gonna work out, me not really know, because some of them parents are then cockatoo, you know. Them prefer run government office, go beg this and beg that and part office. But when them fi come and just, you know, if they say 2 little word thank you or say, oh well, them child are doing a school, them shy out for do that. Because them no want them friends see them on YouTube or whatsoever, but then them out in the street or Black Road for them take a reg boy, the police take them down on TV and TVJ. You understand? Them no see it as nothing, but something we are gonna benefit them and them child. Them feel shy for do that. You understand? So we don't really want to interview no parents, because the last time as I said me tried it never worked. I mean, I'm gonna make sure you as a parent stop a child. Me just want to know say you find it hard, and if you don't wish to come in a camera, I will go and pay the money myself. I'm not going to give it to you. Pay the money at the school, get the receipt from me, get the particulars of the child name. Pay the money, get the receipt, and I will give the receipt to the parents. If she wants to say thanks or him wants to say thanks, so be the case. I just want to know that I have done that for the child. So the cash app there who want to come on board is not a charity. $ Charms and Trends. Or if you want to reach out, Zelle or remittance, you know, you have the number out there, 876-221-9789. Remember, it's not a charity. You don't have to send anything, but if you wish to contribute, that's where the contribution is going. And when you give me for buy water, because dry throat reason no work and snow mint. You understand? But I choose to give the gift to the needy and take the money out of my pocket buy my water. Alright? Bless upon yourself, and thanks for watching another long boring video. Peace out until tomorrow. Short week as me say. Friday Emancipation Day. Next week Wednesday them say a Independent Day. You know? Yes. So bless upon yourself and stay tuned. Wednesday, I want to have a little cookout with some of my next door neighbor kids. Me hear say them I angle themselves as me saying a cooking. And me the plan for jerk some pork Wednesday. So me hear about them, so I want probably just build a little vlog with them. I do a little cookout, whether out me I look on outside of the front of my wall, would that be the right place, or probably in the yard or so, base, you know, and stuff. You know, and have them a cook off. I want add a little price to it. I give them a little price to sweet them up, you know. Best prepared meal get a prize, and the best tasting meal is the winner of the overall thing. Yeah. And give them a little, you know, you have to encourage them, give them a little ice cream money and stuff, you know. So that is it. So you can stay tuned for that if it happen upon the Life is a Mission channel. That's why I'm saying for go over there, go subscribe. Sometimes we just want to take ourselves out of the passa yeah, and refresh our brain and relax and watch something a little more positive and stuff like that. You understand? And what a way to go. You have a lot of things over there you can go watch. Alright? So go subscribe over there if you don't subscribe yet. I'm out.